Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today we have a tool that is number one on Product Hunt. It's a roadmap announcement and changelog tool. You can do feature requests as well. This is great for just like couple of the roadmap tools that I've covered so far in my channel. You can use it in many situations. Of course, this would be best for a like a software company or app company, but you can use this on any websites that has constant updates, that has a sort of a regular updates on your website. It can be an e-commerce site. It can be a content website as well, because you can announce it to your audience what are some of the new content that is coming, and people can vote for them as well, right? So that's the cool thing about making use of one of these roadmap tools. People just kind of see it as a sort of a tool for software companies itself, but you can actually use it for other purposes as well. You can one good way to make use of roadmap tools as well is for showing your task progress for your clients as well, if you run an agency business, right? So these are some of the use cases here. And this tool today that we're going to be talking about is called Leanbe. But before we dive into Leanbe, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in Leanbe. This is the dashboard. You can create a project, which I've already done. So customize your project. So what you want to be doing is just click on the this is the dashboard right here, right? So there's nothing in here because it's a brand new account. There's no comments, no feature requests, no updates, no feature idea that you've created yet. So just click on the gear icon right here and click on project settings, and you can set the name of the project and your display settings. So this would be for your pages, right? So you can put in your logo, your favicon. You can set custom branding as well, right? And then you've got your standalone pages right here. You can also put a banner in here if you want to. You can upload one for the changelog page and the feature request page. So one thing to take note of is that the roadmap feature is not out yet, right? So based on the date that I have am sharing this video, it's going to be 5 to 6 days from now, before its launch, right? So it only has the changelog and feature request features right now, and these are the customization features that you can have. This is actually my changelog page right here. So I have my favicon right here, my logo in here, and then we have the one of the announcement here that I've placed, I've actually created, and you can actually click on, like, you know some of these smileys in here. You can put a comment as well, right? And then just send it, right? And then you got a feedback, and also you can easily share the announcements via social media right here, right? You can do that as well. Okay, so and then you can set up your custom domain, right? You can set up your custom domain, and if you have a team and you want to invite them, you can invite them in here as well, right? So next is that you can actually have a widget for the announcement, so that you can have a sidebar widget, right, for now. So so you can actually have a sidebar widget right now, and how do you want to launch the widget? You can insert a button or a link. So with the link, you just need to put in this code right here on the link, and if you click on click me, and then there would be a sidebar pop out right here, right? And then if it's a button, you can choose the kind of icon you want and embed the button somewhere on your website. And these are some of the customization features, right? For example, if you want to change the button colors, okay, you can do so as well. Right, so let's say I were to change the color, okay, and update this. Okay, so let's say I want to change the color of the button. I can do that as well. Right, so let's say I were to click me, and then you can see the color has changed. Okay, the color has changed, and these are the customization options for the widgets. And next is your changelog. So your changelog, you want to maybe set up your categories first. By default, they give you the bug fix, new feature, and announcement categories. And then if you want to add more, you can do that. Then you can jump over to notifications and create notifications to send out to your followers, right? Okay, and then these are your feature request board. So if there is any ideas that come in, okay, let's say I have a feature idea here. Okay, and then the priority, the status, and then whether you want to allow public comment on it. Okay, so there we go. We have a feature request here, and then you can put an internal comment or a public comment, and you can preview it if we want to, and you can change the status, right? Whether you want to show it publicly or keep it internally, right? You can do so as well, and then you can vote for them, and you can check. This is where you set up your statuses. So these are the 5 statuses by default. You can edit these 4 right here, right? So then this will be the feature request, and any activity will be also shown in here, right? Okay, so and then these would be your users that are following your roadmap. Okay, and pretty much I think that is all, because you can add your team members in here, which we have already done that already. And then you've got your role permission, so you can create different roles, and they can access different menu items in Leanbe. Okay, so pretty much that's all for Leanbe. It's a pretty simple roadmap tool, just like many others that's out there, but they do give a different design, I would say. Of course, the roadmap feature is not out yet, but nonetheless, I think that it does the job well. The I think there is a lot of customization that is possible with Leanbe as well. They do have a different design, so ultimately I feel that these roadmap tools are very similar. It just depends on what kind of customization or branding that you want to insert into your roadmap tool, and also if you want also what kind of look that you want for your roadmap. And lastly would be the integrations, right? From what I see here right now is that Leanbe does not have any integrations at all right now. So this is something to take note of as well. So if you want to, let's say, have an email that people can send to and automatically create a feature request in the in your roadmap, maybe something like that. You want to have some kind of automation or notification to be sent to a certain channel that is not possible with Leanbe right now. So something to consider. Otherwise, I think that Leanbe seems to do the job, and they have a very generous pricing right now, and that's all I have to share about Leanbe. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about Leanbe in the comments, and lastly, if you know anyone who could benefit from a announcement, feedback, for feature request feedback, and roadmap too, be sure to share this video with them, and I'll see you in my next video.